Annapolis continues to enjoy homes going under contract quickly. Of the 46 homes that sold this month, they sold in 8 days and at 100% list to sold ratio at 25% higher sold price than last February. It's Friday, February 27th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. These stats indicate that Annapolis remains a highly desirable area with the median sales price of $682,000. Comparing last year to this year, there were the same number of homes sold, but the list to sold ratio was down to 97.4 last February, and the median sold price was only $549,950. Inventory in Annapolis dropped again this week, 6%. to 133 units for sale at a median $600,000 list price and 53 days on the market. 29 units will be coming soon at a median $700,000. 31 properties went under contract this past week in 16 days and at a median price of $645,000. 15 properties sold at 100.6% at a median sold price of $650,000 and in 6 days. Available rentals fell to 35 units for lease at a median $2,695 per month. Got questions? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 27th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.